Hi, today I talk about how to install OPC server software KEPServerEX. You can download KEPServerEX software in the website. Here is new one. .6.9. Okay, you can go to his website, download. Let's start an installation. This install is simple. Just follow the instruction. Install. Okay, English. Next, choose acceptable. This choose and install the location, destination. This date, just install it here. Okay. We install building automation. Here is install all of the stuff. First one, here is the drive, all of the drive. This native client interface for FX is SCAD software. Plugin, special application is so hardware key we install. On this example, we can follow example do something. Okay, and install all the stuff. Okay, here you can see it's all the drive. So this software now I install this one is OPCDA, not OPCUA. Okay, it's KEPServerEX. Okay, next. We don't need the password. Skip. Install. Okay, we can start. Okay, we need just update. Yeah. You click here, you can see we uninstall is version 6.9.636 is very new version. Okay, we choose this control logics isolate. Okay, we choose channel default. We can choose this one. Okay, next, that's it. Then click here, control logics. I can choose the soft logics. I have soft logics. Here is address. Yeah, you can choose. So that's it. Also, you can choose Siemens. New channel. Siemens TCP/IP isolate. Okay, we can choose this one. Then channel default. We can choose this one. Depends on you. Click here. Device. We can choose S71500 is the address. Yeah. If you know, in the future we talk about more detail about how to use this software. But in my previous video, we talk a lot of uses when you can find in my X. Yeah, this all the stuff. How to use CCW communication is KEPServer. How to use ISLogix 5000, SM1500, all this stuff. Okay. Now this one all with OPC-DA. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much.